Hello everyone, welcome to RPA feed, and in this video we will be covering up problem solving number 3. In this problem statement would be we have an input string with this format: a @ b, then c, and then @d. So the requirement is we want to remove all the at the rates from the given string, and we want to uh, achieve the output in this format: a comma b comma c comma d. So a replace function would be can be used for in order to achieve this, but since the occurrences of at the rate or any special character are not defined, right? If it was a single at the rate at all the places, then we would have easily used string replace method to achieve that. But in this case, we want to replace, like we want to remove all these at the rates between a and b, and we want to place comma. Similarly, here also, b between b and c, we want to place the comma. So how we can achieve that? We'll be looking at that. In this bot, I have divided this bot into three sections: input, and then the loop, and then the output. So in input we are passing our input string as this. Then we are splitting our input string using the delimiter as at the rate into list variable, and then our loop starts. We want to loop that list variable for each of the characters. So we are just initializing a counter variable in this loop, and the loop we are doing is on the list of characters and storing that current list item in this variable. So if our string is empty, for example, while retrieving the data, this at the rate, the special symbol is coming to be empty, so that's why I have kept this condition. If it is empty, we are not doing anything. There was no other condition which I could have used it, like not empty. Otherwise, we could have avoided writing this if. We can directly write have written all this code in this if, but I couldn't find not empty condition. That's why we have to write if string is empty. In the else part, we are doing the we are performing our logic. So in the else part, what we are doing is we are again checking if the counter is less than 1. That means it's the first character, so we don't want to append comma to if it is a first character. So we'll be storing the data in output string. So a will be stored first time whenever the loop will whenever we the loop will execute. The first character we'll be getting is a, and then there will be comma in the else statement. Like if the counter is less than 1, that means if at the first time it is 0, so it will always go into this condition, and after that it will always go into this condition, else condition, and will always keep on appending the existing value, which will be a comma the current item in the list, that will be b comma c comma d. And here we are just incrementing our counter, and that's the final step where we are printing the final value. So let me run this bot, and this is valid for this particular scenario only. This is not a generic one. For example, if you write at the rate and any other special character, it won't work. It currently works only for one of the special character. So this is how you got the output. So this was one of the query raised by one of our subscriber. So we decided to create a video on this. Maybe it would be helpful for larger audience. So this is how you got the output in the desired format. Now suppose if we want to increase the occurrences, let's say at the rate was a lot more, okay, than expected. Then if we run this again we will get the same output: a comma b comma c comma d. So that was the requirement out of this program. So this is how we can achieve that. But if we replace this at the rate with some other character, let's say but it should be on the same character across, right? If we are replacing at the rate with asterisk, let's say asterisk, So now it should the asterisk should be used as a delimiter, and we should get the output in A comma B comma C format. Yeah, that's how you get the output. So that's all guys for this video. If you have any concerns or doubts, you can comment down below this video. Feel free to share this video among your friend, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.